In today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about extensions and the fact that many moves tend to terminate at extensions of prior swings. I want to show you a couple of examples before I show you that NASDAQ chart again. This is a daily chart of Amazon, and in the past, when we had this nice healthy pullback here, we met the 1272 extension and fell just short of the 1618 extension, but we're in that general area where the market was extended. And one of the things you have to remember is that when you're extended, you have to be aware that you're in the position for a deeper downside correction. You may not always get it, but you're in the position to see that. So in this case, after you made that extension, we did see a huge correction there of $264, right? Another example is taking this prior high to low swing, okay, because we did have a setup here, and once we met the 1272 extension, you know, that's when the caution flags started going up. We went more than that, though. We did get actually close again to the 1618 extension of this swing, and then finally, you know, terminated the move. Now, whether or not we get a deeper downside correction that's similar to some of these other swings, you know, is another story, but knowing that it was extended, you know, this is when you want to have relatively tight stops. Now, what I saw in the NASDAQ on the monthly chart, okay, let me go find that one. That's the weekly. Here's the monthly. Okay, so this is what was interesting to me here. Now, there were a lot of extensions that did not terminate at you know, 1272 or 1618. Maybe you had little reactions off of it or something, but you know, you can see that over here you basically didn't get many reactions. You would have made the 1272 extension, the 1618 extension, and the 2618 extension. Okay, we don't always terminate the moves, but we do often enough that it's worth looking at. So what was so interesting with this one is that the 1618 extension of this swing was just hit. Okay, so this high to this low into the what is it, 2002, yeah, October 2002 low. This was the 1618 extension of that swing that came in at 73.01 in NASDAQ cash. And then we also had the target that I was looking for off of that last low, which is the 74.20, which we fell short of. And then we also had a projection of this prior rally swing. Okay, so this is why, you know, basically the caution flag goes up when you're extended. So as far as, you know, where it goes next, I did all the, you know, set up all the pullbacks and decisions that you can look at, but that's on the update for tomorrow. But just remember, we don't know if this is going to be an important high or not. Okay, what we did know was that it was resistance. We also knew that we had some timing factors, and we also know that it at least gave some sell signals. So, you know, that's the thing we kind of watch for as far as, you know, protecting and, you know, maybe even hedging if you, you know, are not into the counter trend trading. Okay, so just remember, many moves tend to terminate at extensions of prior swings, and that's when you really, really want to ratchet up stops.